there, I'm Mike Kensler with the Office of Sustainability, and this is another edition of Books and Ball Caps. The book I want to talk about is called The Hidden Life of Trees by Peter Wohlleben. A biologist that worked with Rachel Carson when she wrote Silent Spring said, "Nature's not only more complicated than we think, nature's more complicated than we can think." And if any book proves that, it is this one. It is a stunning, revealing, humbling story of the life of trees in a forest. They communicate with each other. If one is sick, the others provide resources to it. If one is being eaten by some kind of caterpillar, it communicates that, and trees around it produce a toxin in their leaves to make those trees less susceptible to being eaten. He also describes how profoundly important trees are to life on Earth. Without forests, and I mean natural forests and large swaths of them, life as we know it really isn't possible. So if you want to be humbled and reminded that humans are not above nature, we are of nature, then read this book, The Hidden Life of Trees. Appropriately enough, the ball cap I want to talk about today is the hat from the Everett, Washington Aquasox, which is a short season, single A team for the Seattle Mariners. And one of the things I like about these small town teams, these lower level teams, is you really get a sense of the community when you're there. It's like no other place, no other ballpark you've ever been. And the higher you go in the minors, single A, double A, triple A, the more major league like it gets, which are fine, but they're not the same experience. And I want you to look at what's on this hat. It's a red-eyed tree frog that lives between southern Mexico and northern South America. And it is not yet endangered, but it is threatened because its habitat of rainforest trees are being threatened. This is a beautiful organism, and so if we appreciate trees and we appreciate the life that they support, then this little hat is a good reminder that that's something we need to do. So I strongly recommend The Hidden Life of Trees to remind us who we are and how we exist in and around and with the natural world, and this delightful little ballpark in Everett, Washington. See you at the ballpark.